Madras High Court has made scathing observations while hearing IPS officer's sexual harassment case. High Court says if a woman IPS officer can be subjected to sexual harassment, less needs to be said about women police personnel in lesser ranks. Court adds that it's a shame that women in police department are not treated with the dignity that they deserve. Shilpa Nair joins me on the phone line. Shilpa, what information can you share with us with the Madras High Court now making these scathing observations while hearing the IPS officer's sexual harassment case? Tell us what exactly has the court pointed out.
The former special DGP of Tamil Nadu, who was accused by a woman IPS officer of sexual harassment, had moved to Madras High Court challenging the CGM court order, and the suspended SP D Kannan had also filed a division petition to discharge him from the case. And while hearing this case, the Madras High Court has made very strong observations. In fact, Justice Vel Murugan said if a women IPS officer can be subjected to sexual harassment, then less needs to be said about women police personnel in lesser ranks. And he went on to say that, it's a shame that women in police department are not treated with the dignity they deserve. And when a senior police officer is facing such an allegation of sexual harassment, then how will the common man have faith in the police department? These are the questions and observations that the Madras High Court raised while hearing these two petitions. And when suspended SP D Kannan, he is someone who blocked the women IPS officer from filing a complaint against the special DGP when his counsel argued that he should be discharged from the case as he was only following the instructions of the former special DGP. The Madras High Court went on to ask as to whether he would commit murder if his senior asked him to. So clearly, several serious questions being raised by the Madras High Court. And after hearing the counsel, the Madras High Court has ordered that the trial in this case should be completed within 3 months. And the suspended SP D Kannan, he has also withdrawn his revision petition because the court has, of course, was not inclined to entertain it. So for that reason, he has withdrawn his revision petition. And the court has said that the trial in the sexual harassment case of a women IPS officer must be completed within 3 months.
All right. Thanks for joining us, Shilpa, with the latest inputs on the story.